That WWE title is mine!
Not if I get it first.
Oh, yeah! That's right! Get him! Yeah! Hit him! Oh, slam him! Get him! Oh, yeah! That's right, they're right there. Yeah! Get him! Whoa! See this coming? Hey, watch it. You better stop it. You stop that. Don't you do that. Don't you do. No, you're doing it all wrong. You're ruining it. You're ruining it. Stop ruining it. Oh, this kid. This is a totally unrealistic scenario. Cena would never beat me.
Yeah!
Bad choice, kid. You made the wrong choice. Do you see the mouth moving? Do you hear the vocal cords? Do you hear the sound that I'm saying? Do you hear the sounds? Because the sounds are saying that I want a rematch. I want Cena again and again and again because I'm a winner. I'm a winner. Thank you.